and welcome to Add More Zest, and my name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. Today is a bit of an off the canvas type unboxing from Fansells. I've got a couple of different bits that are a little bit different. I don't think I've had them before. So we'll start with the one on the top. We'll start with the smallest and work our way down. So this first one, I have had similar items before in the fact that this is a bookmark. But it is a different style bookmark to what I've had before. So it is, I think it's faux leather. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's faux leather. I'm trying to work out if it's actually got a smell of leather or not. But it is curved around the bottom, and then the actual seahorse is cut out on the top. So there's a few different varieties, but seahorse is the one that I chose. I thought it was quite cute. And for diamonds wise, this is what we have. Quite a few different ones. Now, this is number 10, a pink crystal. Having a look at this seahorse, you need one. You need one number 10 and you get all of those. So I think we're going to be good for the amount of diamonds. Then we have number 9, of which I can see one of those as well, and that's a white pearl. We have a star. Which number is that? So that's number 8. I can see one of those. I can see one number 8. So far we're needing one of each, and we have all this many. This bigger star, we also need one. Number 6, which is a black one, we need one. So you're just using one each of those. One of number 5. Number 3, is that no, that'll be number 4. Number 4, we need quite a few more. So number 4 comes all the way down here and round. So you do need quite a few more of those. Number 3, there's a few of those. Number 2, we only need 2 of them, and we get 5, and then number 1. So there's a couple of different yellow rhinestones, and then we have the yellow flowers. If I turn it round, you can see the true one. So I think we have plenty for what is actually needed. It is only a small project, but I do think these are really fun crafts to do. I think I actually may have a child, not one of my own, but a child in mind who has shown an interest in diamond painting. He was here with his dad doing some work on our garden, and he enjoys crafty things. So I might pass this one on to him to see if he wants to do that, because it gives him something else to do as well as the diamond painting I sent him home with. But this one might be a little bit quicker. So that's number 1. Number 2, the box has come apart a little bit, but number 2, we can get everything off. So number 2 is a money box. So this is a frame. It's a nice sort of got an oak look frame. It has a slot in the top for you to put your money in. It is built like a picture frame, so you can peel off the back. And then we have this gorgeous flower design on the back of it. And then you get an acrylic piece, which you can then use. These are sticky. So these are double-sided sticky to stick on there in 2 places. And then you can stick it on the front. So you can actually position it wherever you want. I think on the image it's positioned about there, so that you've got this gorgeous picture on the front, and then your pennies go in the back, or your notes or your money goes in the back and covers up the flower design. So this is a single acrylic piece. It does Looks like it is all the one size of rhinestones but multiple colours, and I just thought it was gorgeous. So pretty. There is something to be said for pastel pink and pastel blue and that little bit of lilac. So colours wise, we have some teal, hot pink, lilac, more pinks, a pale yellow, more of a brown colour which is mixed in with the hair and the pale yellow, some more turquoisey colours for her dress. So it looks like we've got turquoisey with a little bit of pale blue, a few different shades of blue in the dress and some of the balloons. Then we've got pink in the other balloons and in her hair. There's actually about 4 different colours in her hair, in her bow. And then we have the hair, which looks to be 6, 7 and 8. So basically those 3 to make up her hair, which, yeah, I think these are lovely little things. And useful things that can be either made for gifts or, you know, youngsters maybe can make for themselves. So you can give them as a gift for them to then make for themselves. But there's a few different styles, but this is the one I went for because it just looks so girly and sweet. And I really, really liked it. And it's a prettier kind of money box, in my opinion. So yeah, that is number 2. And then off the canvas item number 3, we do have a clock. Now I have unboxed clocks before, but this one is a different style. So I've done some that are a clock on just a canvas. I've done some that have been on a sort of tin plate. This one is on wood. So it is a wooden one where the numbers have been cut out. And then there's the diamond painting design in the middle. And I went for this one because it's fun and colourful. It does have the mechanics on the back. It also has lights. So can you see we've got an LED light strip. You will need 1 AA battery. Oh, actually, no, you need about 4. AA batteries, 1 for the clock mechanism, and then there is 3 for the lights. But you do get all that in there and a hook, though turn the hook round before you hang it up, otherwise it could be very confusing. And then we have this love with like lots of presents and kisses and keys and envelopes and swirls and just all the things. All the things. You do get the mechanisms for the actual clock itself to pop on afterwards and a toolkit. And then diamonds, we're going to have some fun coloured diamonds in this one. So we have your clear, red, pink, hot pink, orange, pale yellow, yellow, lime green, oh no, that's the same size, a darker green, a really dark green, turquoise, blue, orange, purple, lilac, teal and red, and well, no, hot pink. So they're all the same size in this strip, but then we do have a couple of sort of different ones. So we have some larger rhinestones in pink, we have some little teardrop ones in red, and they go round a couple of these flowers where you can get a full petal on are there. And then we have this bigger one in blue that goes in the centre of 3 of the flowers. So you also get those different shaped ones as well. There's actually 20 different colours and or types of diamonds for this painting, or for this clock, should I say. Again, there's a few different designs of this. I just went for the colourful one because I love doing colourful diamond pieces, but I do really like the cutout as well. I think it's been laser cut, so you can see some remnants of it around on the paper that's been there, or the clear cover that's been there to protect the numbers, but when you peel it back, it is a nice clear laser cut all the way around with a gorgeous diamond painting on the front. So yeah, if you fancy some off the canvas items, whether to do them for yourself, whether to do them with family members or give them to friends, that's a few of the different pieces that I have seen. So there's a few different designs in each. So don't think, oh, I like the money box idea, but I don't want that one. Have a look. There are many more money boxes. If you click on the link for each item and have a look in the title of it, you can search for the same keywords to be able to get up other variants of it as well. So for example, I think this is called a money box, but it may be called a coin box. But when you click on the actual item, you can see in the title what it's called and use that to be able to search to find all the other variants. Or you can go into the tab for crafts and go into the sections, whichever way suits you best. But I will pop links to each of these items down below so that you can check them out for yourselves. Thank you to Fansells, as always, for sending me these goodies to share with you all, and I'll speak to you all again soon.